These are the ingredients we need. In a bowl, take 250 grams unsalted butter. Beat the butter just to make it a little soft. Sift and add 350 grams of icing sugar. Add in 30 grams of cocoa powder. Add 2 teaspoons of milk. Continue beating until combined. Chocolate buttercream frosting is now ready. Let's frost the cupcakes with this luscious buttercream. Check out part 1 video for the cupcake recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more baking recipes.